Hi everyone, Lena Morgan here, LPT Realty. Today's video, I want to talk about bonds and property taxes within the villages. I know it's a super exciting topic to talk about, but if you are looking to purchase a home in the villages, it's definitely information that you're going to want to know. We're going to break it all down today. The villages is located in multiple counties and cities, so property taxes definitely vary depending on the location. So when you're purchasing a home, it's definitely going to affect your monthly payments depending on property taxes and the bond balance. So we're going to also show you how to find your bond balance, what the yearly payment looks like, the interest rate attached to the bond, and how to find the yearly maintenance fee and fire assessment that's also attached to the home. So stay tuned and I hope you enjoy. All right, guys, I'm going to show you how to find the bond balance, the yearly payment on the bond, and the interest rate attached to the bond. There's a few items that you're going to need. You're going to need to know which county the home is located in. So as noted, the Villages is located within multiple counties. It's located within Sumter County, which is the bulk of the Villages, Lake County, and Marion County. So those are the three counties that you're going to want to know, and then identify which county the home is located in. Once you find the county, you're also going to need to know the district number and the unit number. And I'm going to show you how to find those two items as well. So first we're going to identify the county. So in this video, I'm going to use a new listing that just came up as an example. We're going to use 926 Longleaf Lane as the example, and that's located within Sumter County. So in today's video, I'm going to use Sumter County Property Appraiser website for the example. Now, if it's in Marion County, you're going to use Marion County Property Appraiser website, and if it's Lake County, you're going to use Lake County Property Appraiser website. So just some things to know. All right, now we're trying to locate the district number in which the home is located in and the home's unit number. To find the district number, there's a couple ways to do it. If you're looking in Sumter County, it will show up right under the summary card. But if you're using Marion County or Lake County Property Appraiser website, it doesn't show up as clearly. So if that's the case, a little bit quicker way to find the district number is to go to the Villages website, which is districtgov.org. On the first tab, you're going to see districts, and then right down below is Find My District, and you're going to click that. And here you're just going to plug in the address on which home that you're working on. So in today's example, we're going to use that new listing on Longleaf, which is 926 Longleaf Lane. And as soon as I put in the address, as you can see, it pops up the district number. So here we have found out that the home is located in District 9. So now that we have that item, all we'll need is the unit number at that point. So we're going to go back to the Sumter County Property Appraiser website, which is sumterpa.com. And you're going to go to search records. And we're also going to use this website in order to find the tax bill as well. So you can either search by owner name or address. We're going to use the address 926 Longleaf. And the property card pulls right up. So in the Sumter County Property Appraiser, as you can see the tax district, it's just going to automatically pull up which district it's in. And as you can see, it's District 9, which we just found out on the district.gov.org website. And then to find the unit number is always going to be in the property's legal description. So you go down to legal description, and then you can see unit number 177 is what this home is. So now we have the district number, which is 9, and the unit number 177. So I'm going to do another screen share. Once you have those two items, you can plug it into the districtgov.org website. Now that we have the two items that we need, the unit number and the district number, we're going to go plug it in the districtgov.org website. So once you're on that website, you're going to go to services, go down to administration, and you're going to go to finance. And then it's going to take you to the bond amortization schedules. That's where we want to go in order to find the bond balance. So Right here, it's going to ask you which county. And as you can see, the 3 counties. We know the example that we're using today is located in Sumter County. So we're going to click Sumter County. We know now that it's located in District 9. And the unit number is 177. So we're going to click unit 177. And right here, as you can see, the assessment revenue bonds document pulls up. Right on top is going to be your interest rate on this bond, this home. It's a 2.43% interest rate. And then you're going to find the year that we're in, which is 2025. So we're going to look at this line right here. And we notice that the bond balance on this home is $14,649.33. The yearly payment is $1,177.81. And then these 3 lines, this gives you like the itemized receipt. So you have the principal, the interest, and the admin fee attached to that bond. So that's exactly how you can find the bond balance and what the interest rate looks like. Now, if you want to find the yearly maintenance and the fire assessments and the yearly bond payment, you can find that on the tax bill. So go to the property appraiser website. In this example, we're going to go back to the Longleaf, which is located in Sumter County. So the Sumter County property appraiser, pull up that property card again, how we showed in the last couple last videos. You're going to scroll down and you're going to see my tax bill. So you're going to click that. This is going to take you to the tax collector portal. As you can see, the 2025 tax bill on the right, it gives you an action print. I like to click that because it downloads a PDF version. There we go. So as you can see, this is the tax bill. Here's your ad valorem taxes. You have your Sumter County taxes, school board, waste management, and the fire district. If a home is located within a city, so like say City of Wildwood, this line will also show City of Wildwood taxes. But for this example, it's only located within the Sumter County, so you're not going to have the city taxes attached. Now, this second portion is what we want to focus on. This is going to break down your fire assessment, your yearly maintenance assessment, and the yearly bond payment. So the Sumter County yearly fire assessment is going to be the same across all of Sumter County, and that's $320.71 currently per year. The yearly maintenance on this home is $489.59. Now, that maintenance fee is going to vary depending on the district and the home. If it's a patio villa, that maintenance fee is going to be a little bit less. If it's a premier or even a designer home, you're going to see a little bit higher maintenance fee. And then that third line is going to be your bond payment, which is $1,177.49. So this breaks it down. That maintenance fee and the fire assessment, just know that those are subject to go up. Once the bond is paid off, that bond payment, that third line will go away. But that maintenance fee and that fire assessment will never go away. So something to just take note of. Property taxes range quite a bit in the villages, definitely depending on the county, whether it's in city limits or not, the home's value, and the bond status, whether it's paid off or if it has a low bond balance or not. So it's definitely important. I recommend getting a custom estimate for each home that you're considering purchasing. If you're working with a realtor, they should be able to locate this information for you so they can give you an accurate tax estimate breakdown. But just a couple things to know if you are looking to purchase in the villages. Since there are 3 counties, you're going to have different tax brackets. Now, Sumter County has the lowest millage rate within the 3 counties. So you're going to see the lowest property taxes in the villages. Now, if it's located within the City of Wildwood, in Sumter County, you're going to also have city taxes along with county taxes. So that's going to create a little bit higher property taxes. After Sumter County, you have Lake County. There's 3 city limits within the villages in Lake County. You have Lady Lake, Leesburg, and Fruitland Park. So taxes are going to vary depending on which city the home is located in Lake County. After Lake County, the highest property taxes in the villages is Marion County. Marion County is the northern part of the villages. Something to know about the homes in Marion County is that those homes were typically built in the early 2000s to mid 2000s. So those bonds are either paid off or there's typically a low bond balance. So that's also going to play a factor in your taxes as well, whether or not that bond is low, if it's paid off, or if there's still a bond balance left. So some things to consider when you are looking at the property taxes. Again, if you are working with a realtor, they should be able to locate all this information for you, especially if they are, if they specialize in the villages market. They should know how to identify the bond balance, the yearly payment, the interest rate. So you are most informed when you are purchasing a home in the villages. Now, if you have any additional questions, please, again, drop a comment down below. I'll also leave my personal contact information down below as well. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me directly. I really appreciate you guys watching this video, and I can't wait to help you to retire to sunshine.